Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to reuse a Pringles box. There are many ways you can reuse it for many craft items. So today I'm going to do audio amplifier without any electricity. What I'm going to do is I have a empty Pringles box here. I have two bottle caps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this bottle caps as a stand. I'm going to keep the box like this, and then I need to make a small cut to place my mobile. So let's see how it works. I made the setup here. So I used the water bottle caps for the stand. I made a small cut to fit my mobile in. Let's see the demo now. So I'm going to play test music. So you can see the difference here.